add shading to a paragraph, first highlight the paragraph you want to apply the shading to. Click Home on the top toolbar, then navigate to the Borders and Shading button. It looks like a small square with 4 squares in it. Go down to the bottom where it says Borders and Shading. On the top menu, click on Shading, and then here you can pick the color that you want the shading to be. As we can see here, it's applied to the paragraph that we had selected. You can also apply different styles, so a pattern or a different tint of a color. If you choose the pattern option, you have the option of using 2 colors, so your main fill color and then another color for the pattern. Once you're happy with your options, press OK and it will apply the style to that paragraph. If you wish to remove the paragraph styling, highlight the paragraph again, navigate to your Borders and Shading button, click on Borders and Shading, and then navigate back to Shading. Click on the Fill option and set this to no color. Click on the Pattern option and again set this to Clear. And this will remove the other color option. Make sure it's applied to your paragraph and press OK. And that removes any paragraph shading from your paragraph.